What's going on? Who could that be? Oh, look at! I think we should go for a ride. Alright, I'm gonna take it for a quick spin. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, look what I found. I think someone fucked up last night. And because of that, we're gonna take advantage. Yeah. Would you look at that? Bash, I'm sorry. I'm gonna steal your bike for a minute. We're going for a little ride. I don't even know how to use this thing. Is it on neutral? Yeah. Fucking Bash. A cute bike. Such a cute bike, Bash. $2,289 miles. Look, you can't even hear a purr, Bash. You need to get an exhaust on this thing. Oh, this thing's weird. Oh my god, this is weird. Oh shit, this is pretty cool, man. I'm not gonna lie, that's a fun little bike. Yeah, let's go this way. Alright, man. I can see rolling around on this. This is kind of fun, man. It is kind of comfy. Downshifting's interesting. The seating position is pretty nice. The seating position is definitely pretty nice. Why you got one mirror though? Why you only got one more mirror, Bash? Alright, so it's quiet. It is pretty comfy though, like the seating position is pretty funny. I like it. I keep saying funny, but it's actually pretty nice. Ugh. It does obviously doesn't have a lot of power, but it's definitely a fun little bike, man. This is I can see bobbing around on something like this for sure. Oh man, see that's the cool thing about this shit is you can just fucking open it up. We should go take a picture. We gonna take a picture somewhere. Oh yeah. We taking a picture right here. Hey Bash, you hear that? I think you forgot something. Yeah, this is a fun little bike. I can see romping around on this. This would be fun in the canyons for sure. I think the brakes could use a little bit more stopping power, but in general, I think this would be a fun little bike. I can see why you got this, Bash. This is a good bike to romp around on. Definitely needs better brakes.